Hi, in this lecture, I'm going to discuss a very important topic, what is DevOps and its benefits. Nowadays, majority of people, they want to build their career in DevOps, or also those who are already in job in some different technology, they also want to build their career in DevOps, as it is very demanding nowadays. But the question is, where to start and how to start DevOps? What are the tools that we need to learn if you want to become a DevOps engineer? Because DevOps is a very wide topic. Lots of tools comes into DevOps like Git, GitHub, Maven, Gradle, Sanarqube, Nexus, Jfrog, Jenkins, Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes, and many more tools that we need to learn in DevOps. Confused? Don't worry. After the completion of this session, you can easily understand DevOps lifecycle and which tools is responsible for which phase of DevOps cycle. And I'm going to teach you each and everything. So let's understand what is DevOps. So DevOps is development plus operations. In simple words, DevOps is an approach or practice that combines the development team and the IT team, that is your operation team, to calibrate throughout the entire software development cycle so that all the team members will be on the same page and ensures the delivery of high quality software. So here, this is the simple definition. DevOps is the combination of best practices and tools which is designed to increase an organization and company's ability to deliver applications, projects, and services faster than traditional software development process. So before DevOps, software applications were deployed with either the waterfall model or the agile development model. And these models takes a lot of time to deliver the software end to end. But with DevOps, you can deliver the software in a faster approach. This speed enables organizations to better serve their customers and compete more effectively in the market. So here the main factor is time. So with DevOps, you can deliver the product in faster. Say for example, there are two companies, company A and company B. If company A delivers new use case or new features to customers faster than company B, so obviously customers or clients always prefers which comes fast and which is good to use. If your process time is slower, in that case your rivalries companies can deliver the same feature, same product in a faster approach. So all the customer prefers which is coming fast. So how to achieve this? With the help of DevOps. So under a DevOps model, deployment and operation teams work together across the entire software application lifecycle from development and test through deployment to operations. So here we have the benefits of DevOps. Very important is speed, rapid delivery, reliability, improved collaboration and security. So this is one thing. And here we have the DevOps workflow consists of phases. So we need to understand the entire DevOps phase. So here we have the first one is the planning, building, testing and deploying, delivering, monitoring, logging and gathering. So this is one thing. The most important is your DevOps lifecycle. So here the DevOps lifecycle is very important. The first one is your continuous deployment, continuous integration, continuous testing, monitoring, feedback, deployment and operations. So when your company start delivering a project to the customer, they have to go through these life cycle. First, the product will come into the deployment phase, then integration, testing, monitoring, feedback, deployment and operations. And finally, you are going to deliver the product to your customers. So here we need to understand each DevOps life cycle in details and what all the tools comes under each life cycle.